Design and implementation of 3D printer controller board.
3D printing is process of printing a 3D object by additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is nothing but constructing it layer by layer. In 3D printing process, a CAD model is generated as 3D object. That is, virtuality is converted into reality. So, first a CAD model is cut into slices and then the slices bottom into G code. This G code is sent to the controller board and then we can get the 3D model. The main control of the total printer depends on the controller board. In this project, we used NC Rambo version 1.1a as controller board. Controller board generally drives the stepper motors and the extruder which ejects the filament and then it places on the heater bed. The main aim of this project is to construct a low-cost 3D printer. Scope of this project is, this printer can be used in low-scale industries to develop their own prototypes, and it also can be used for educational purposes to improve their own innovative designs.
Here I am going to explain the live demo of our project. 3D printer has 3 axes X, Y and Z for printing the filament according to G code. For Y-axis movement, this 3D printer has 2 mm timing belt run with the help of 1 NEMA 17 stepper motor. Similarly, for the movement of extruder in X-axis, it has 2 mm timing belt run by 1 NEMA 17 stepper motor. For movement of extruder in Z-axis, that is from top to bottom and vice versa, this printer has lead screws along with 2 NEMA 17 stepper motors. Lead screw is specifically used to counter the gravitational force. This is MK8 extruder used. It has one NEMA 17 stepper motor to push the filament in, one inbuilt heater to heat the filament, fan to cool the heated filament, and thermistor to maintain the temperature. From the nozzle of diameter 0.3 mm, the heated filament comes out and settles in the glass bed or heat bed. Polylactic filament is injected in the extruder. End stops are used to set the maximum and minimum limits. When it reaches the limit, the entire process will shut down.
Now I am going to explain the controller board used in our project.
Here we are using MC Rambo version 1.1a. It has Atmega 2560 microcontroller which is of 8-bit. It has 5 stepper motor drivers, one for X, Y, 2 for Z axis, one for stepper motor in extruder. There are 3 thermistor drivers T0, T1 and T2. There are 3 end stop connections for X axis, Y axis, probe which is Z axis. There are 3 fuses present. F1 for motors, logic, fans. F2 for heater of extruder nozzle. F3 for heated bed. It takes 24 volt as input power supply. It has 2 ports for fan. There present 1 port for heater of extruder nozzle.
Three D printer block diagram refers to the block diagram of 3D printer controller board. In this project, the controller board used is NC Rambo version 1.1a. This controller board consists of stepper motor drivers, MOSFET switches, thermistor drivers and end stop drivers. MOSFET switches. It consists of 3 MOSFET switches for fan, heat bed and heater. Signal is given from the controller to the MOSFET switches. Stepper motor drivers. Stepper motor driver used in NC Rambo version 1.1a is TMC2130. Controller board sends the signal to the driver, such as enabling the stepper motor, direction of the stepper motor, and step size of the stepper motor. We use 5 motors in this project, one for X, one for Y, 2 for Z axis, and one in extruder. The extruder motor is used to drive the filament into the hot end of the extruder. Thermistor driver. Thermistor driver is a signal conditioning circuit used in NC-Rambo version 1.1a. The temperature from the hot end is measured by the thermistor and the signal is given to the controller. The controller balances the temperature of heater according to the temperature measured by the thermistor. In-stop drivers. In-stop drivers are signal conditioning circuits present in the NC-Rambo version 1.1a. Stop switches are present at the limits of X, Y and Z axis. This sends the signal either high or low to the controller so that the entire process shutdowns immediately. This is the flowchart of entire process. The G-code is used for the movement of axis by stepper motors. The filament is melted in the extruder. Through extruder nozzle, the filament is placed on the heat bed. If else there is another layer to be added, then the entire process repeats itself, or else the 3D model which is printed gets rigid so that we can get a complete 3D model.
Applications of 3D printer are 3D printing has more number of applications to the world of medicine. For example, bioprinting. They are also useful for fixing parts made of plastic and for making toys, figures and models. You can also make 3D objects for home furniture purpose. Hardware used NC Rambo 1.1a, MK8 extruder and stepper motors. Software used Marlin firmware for operation of 3D printer by using NC Rambo controller board. Print run for printing 3D model. The software slices 3D object and analyze G-code, and G-codes onto board by the software. An engineer can test a lot of new designs, prototypes, and not have to wait for someone else to make them. In this project, my contribution is whole setup construction, research of products, and purchase of products.
In this project, I have contributed in firmware development, report making, and in the construction of the whole setup.
In this project, my contribution is setup construction, research of products, and report making.
Contribution in this project is did research work about the project, selection of products required for the project, firmware development, and setup construction.